Do you want a normal delivery or a cesarean? If you ask me as a mother, I always wanted a normal delivery. For me, normal delivery was a feeling which I would actually give birth to the little one with whatever I could, the strength which God had given me. So, always aimed for a normal delivery. Throughout my 9 months, after I got to know I've conceived, if you're looking for a normal delivery, I'm sure you'll have enough tips to do things which will help a normal delivery. And I feel physical activity is very important. As a mother, I remember because I wanted a normal delivery, I was very sure. I went for my walks, 2 times walks. I did everything. There were some asanas, prenatal exercises, and now there are so many things. But don't overboard yourself. Do what your body is accepting very gracefully and be active and alert. In fact, swimming really helps a lot. I was swimming till my 8th month of pregnancy. So, if you're doing everything actively, fit, happily, I'm sure you'll be able to deliver a normal baby. At the same time, if something untoward happens towards the end of your pregnancy, accept it gracefully that now you will not be able to give a baby through the normal method of delivery. For me, I did everything in my 9 months to have a normal delivery. But towards the end, the doctor felt I would not be able to go for a normal delivery because the baby was not growing enough. So he had to go for a cesarean. But since I decided in my mind that I want a normal delivery, believe me, the day of the surgery, when the nurses feel that you should be just lying on the bed, I'm talking about nearly 26 years back, they do not allow you to get up. I had decided I want a normal delivery and I want to experience the pain of a normal delivery. So, to the astonishment of all the nurses in the hospital, I just got up. I said, I will use the washroom. When they were ready with getting a bedpan for me, and the kick which I felt of getting up and going towards the bathroom was so beautiful. And all the nurses were so surprised, even the doctor, that how come I went. I got up and walked because it's a big challenge after cesarean to get up and to be able to walk because of the stitches. So, just whatever is happening, do the best and don't focus on the end result. Let your process be right. I'm sure the end result will also be right if you're thinking on the process. Thank you so much.